What if I told you that your crippling anxiety and sinking depression might not be all in your head? That the real culprit could be one single brain chemical, ignored by most doctors, leaving millions trapped in a cycle of pills and pain. Before we dive in, if mental health and real solutions matter to you, hit that like button and subscribe to BioMind Zone right now. It helps more people see this message, and it tells me to keep creating videos that expose the truth. If you've ever felt your chest tighten, your thoughts race, and the only answer you got from doctors was a prescription pad, this video is for you. Anxiety, depression, panic, they're painted as chemical imbalances that only drugs can fix. But the truth, the very first things we should check aren't pills at all. They're insulin and sugar levels, thyroid hormones, cortisol, iron, minerals like zinc and magnesium, and yes, vitamins. And among them, one stands out, vitamin B6. Stay with me, because in just a minute I'll show you how something as simple as B6 can flip the switch on your brain's anxiety circuits. When anxiety hits, the medical system trains us to head straight for the psychiatrist's office. But that's backwards. The first emergency measure should be get B6 into your body. Why? Because B6 fuels your brain's GABA system, the calming brake pedal of your nervous system. Without it, your thoughts spin, your stress skyrockets, and peace feels impossible. Here's the scandal big pharmacy companies doesn't want you to know. B6 directly affects neurotransmitter signaling. It helps your brain turn excitatory chaos into calm by supporting the conversion of glutamate into GABA, the neurotransmitter of relaxation. Without B6, your GABA system collapses, and suddenly, anxiety isn't in your head. It's in your chemistry. Not everyone absorbs B6 the same way. Some people need the active form, P5P, pyridoxal-5' phosphate, or they won't feel the benefits at all. And here's the twist. While most feel calmer, a few actually get more anxious with standard B6 and need alternatives like direct GABA, the theanine from green tea, or even magnesium. And let's be honest, why have we never been told this? Because the medical system was built to funnel you toward legal drugs, antidepressants, anxiolytics, prescriptions that make billions profit. They've conditioned us to believe the first step is always medication. But humans weren't designed to pop pills to survive life. We were built to be resilient, to repair ourselves with food, nutrients, and balance. The problem, modern food no longer has what our bodies need. That's why supplements, good ones, matter more than ever. And this isn't just theory. Scientists tested it. A groundbreaking study from the University of Reading examined high doses of B6 and B12 in people struggling with anxiety and depression. The results? Only B6 showed a statistically significant reduction in anxiety. Why? Because it boosted GABA activity, literally calming the nervous system at its root. Participants didn't just feel a little better. They had measurable improvements in mood, anxiety scores, and even brain inhibition tests. This isn't hype, this is data. So let's be crystal clear. Anxiety isn't just serotonin. It's about balance between excitatory and inhibitory signals in your brain. And B6 may be one of the simplest, cheapest, most overlooked keys to restoring that balance. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Your doctor probably never mentioned this. Why? Because vitamins can't be patented. Because calm, healthy people don't make shareholders rich. If you're still watching right now, smash that like button. It tells me loud and clear that you want more videos that reveal what's really going on with your health. So tell me in the comments, have you ever tried B6 or noticed how nutrients change your mood? I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget, subscribe to BioMind Zone for more mind-opening health truths the system won't tell you. Because the first step to healing isn't drugs, it's knowledge.